Have you noticed that things in the bedroom just aren't the same as they used to be? Maybe your energy fades quicker. Maybe your erections don't feel as strong. Many men over 60 immediately assume it's just aging. But what if the problem isn't your age at all? What if the real culprit is sitting right in front of you, in a simple glass of water? Hello, I'm Dr. Marissa Blake, and I've spent over 3 decades helping men restore their vitality without pills, injections, or surgery. Today, I want to reveal something surprising yet incredibly powerful: how the way you drink water could either support or sabotage your sexual health. It sounds almost too simple, doesn't it? But your body is nearly 60% water. Every heartbeat, every drop of blood flowing to your pelvis, every surge of testosterone depends on hydration. Ignore it, and fatigue, low libido, and weaker erections quietly take over. Get it right, and you can feel stronger, more confident, and more alive again. Stay with me, because in this video I'll share exactly how water affects your circulation, hormones, and performance, and a 60-second ritual that has already changed the lives of thousands of men. An erection might feel like a mystery, but at its core, it's really about one thing: blood flow. When blood rushes smoothly into the tiny vessels of the penis, firmness and stamina come naturally. When that flow is blocked or sluggish, performance suffers. Now here's where water enters the story. Your blood itself is mostly made of water. Imagine trying to water your garden with a hose. If the water flows freely, every plant thrives. But if the hose kinks or the pressure weakens, the garden dries up. Dehydration has the same effect on your body. Without enough water, your blood thickens. It moves more slowly, the heart has to work harder, and oxygen delivery to vital tissues, including the pelvis, drops. I once had a patient, John, age 65, who came to me frustrated. He told me nothing worked anymore, and he had even begun to lose confidence in intimacy. When I asked about his daily habits, I learned he relied almost entirely on coffee and barely drank plain water. I suggested something simple: strategic hydration. John laughed at first, but within 3 weeks of consistent water intake, he returned with a smile. His energy was higher, his erections firmer, and his outlook brighter. It's proof that sometimes the smallest change, like hydrating properly, can spark a remarkable turnaround. Subsection 1. Blood flow and nitric oxide. The first way water impacts your sexual health is by directly improving blood flow. Think of water as the hidden engine behind your circulation. When you're hydrated, your blood stays smooth and fluid, allowing it to glide easily through arteries and veins. That means when the moment comes, more blood can reach the penis quickly and fully, creating the firmness and stamina you want. But here's the real secret. Hydration doesn't just make blood flow easier, it also boosts a powerful natural chemical in your body called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is like a switch that tells blood vessels to open wide, just like turning on a faucet. The wider the vessels, the stronger the rush of blood into the pelvic area. Studies published in respected journals such as the American Journal of Physiology show that even mild dehydration lowers nitric oxide levels, making erections weaker and energy levels drop. So when you sip water throughout the day, you're not just quenching thirst, you're actually signaling your body to keep those blood vessels open and responsive. It's like keeping the water hose unkinked and ready, ensuring that circulation can support both performance and stamina when you need it most. Subsection 2. Hormonal balance. The second way water supports your sexual health is through your hormones, especially testosterone. Testosterone is the fuel behind libido, drive, and masculine energy. But here's the catch. When your body is short on water, testosterone production quietly slows down. Why? Because dehydration pushes your body into survival mode. Instead of prioritizing reproduction, your system focuses on keeping blood pressure steady and temperature controlled. It's like a factory shutting down the luxury lines to keep the lights on. One of the first things put on hold is hormone production. Research, including findings from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology, shows that dehydration raises cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol and testosterone can't coexist. They work like a seesaw. When cortisol rises, testosterone sinks. The result? Lower desire, less energy, and a weaker response in intimate moments. Your liver and kidneys, which act as the body's hormone regulators, also rely on water to filter waste and keep balance. Without enough hydration, their efficiency drops, and hormone levels become unstable. So the next time you feel exhausted, unmotivated, or lacking in libido, don't rush to blame your age. Sometimes your body is simply begging for water, the foundation your hormones need to function at their best. Subsection 3. Practical hydration habits. Now let's turn all this science into simple daily habits. Because drinking water the right way can make the difference between results you feel or nothing at all. First, sip slowly. Your body absorbs water best in small amounts spread throughout the day. Chugging a whole bottle at once mostly sends you running to the bathroom. Think of it as steady fueling instead of flooding. Second, choose room temperature or slightly warm water. Ice-cold water can slow digestion and circulation. Gentle temperatures are kinder to your system and improve nutrient absorption. Third, try adding a pinch of unrefined sea salt to your first glass in the morning. This helps restore electrolytes like magnesium and potassium, which act like spark plugs for your cells and improve circulation. Fourth, pay attention to timing. Avoid large amounts right before bed, since constant bathroom trips disturb sleep, and poor sleep lowers testosterone. Also, wait about 30 minutes after meals before drinking, so your stomach acids can digest food properly. Finally, let your body guide you. A quick check is your urine color, pale yellow is ideal, dark means drink more, and totally clear may mean you've overdone it. These small adjustments turn ordinary hydration into a powerful tool for sexual health and energy. We've seen how hydration boosts blood flow, supports nitric oxide, and protects testosterone. But here's the real magic. When these effects happen together, they don't just add up, they multiply. Think about it. Smooth circulation alone gives stronger erections. Balanced hormones alone give more desire. But when you combine the two, you get stamina, drive, and confidence working in harmony. It's like tuning up both the engine and the fuel system of a car. You don't just get better performance. You get reliability every time you turn the key. Men who ignore hydration often chase complicated solutions without results. They try pills, gadgets, or extreme diets, all while overlooking the simplest foundation: water. When you hydrate correctly, every other effort you make, whether exercise, diet, or supplements, works better because your body is already primed to perform. That's why I call water the silent amplifier. It strengthens blood flow, balances hormones, lifts energy, and supports intimacy all at once. By respecting this one basic habit, you give your body the environment it needs to thrive. If you're finding this helpful so far, take a moment right now to support this channel. Click the like button. It helps this message reach more men who may be silently struggling with the same challenges. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you'll always get my latest tips for men's health after 60. I also want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, how many glasses of water do you usually drink in a day? You might be surprised how many men discover they're drinking far less than their body actually needs. Your answer could even encourage someone else to make a simple change that transforms their vitality. Now, let's turn this into action. Because knowledge only matters when you put it to work. Here's a simple 24-hour challenge you can start today. When you wake up tomorrow morning, before coffee or breakfast, drink 1 glass of room-temperature water with a tiny pinch of unrefined sea salt. This small step helps replenish electrolytes lost overnight and wakes up your circulation. Then, keep a bottle of water with you throughout the day. Instead of gulping it all at once, take slow sips every hour. By bedtime, aim for about 8 to 10 glasses, adjusting for your weight, activity level, and climate. Check your urine color in the evening. Pale yellow means you've hit the sweet spot. Dark means you need more. Crystal clear, you may be overdoing it. This routine may sound simple, but in just a few days you can notice higher energy, less fatigue, and more confidence in intimate moments. It's a small habit that lays the groundwork for bigger victories in your health. Water is often overlooked, yet it may be the most powerful natural aid to your sexual health. It keeps your blood flowing smoothly, your hormones balanced, and your energy steady. And the best part? It's simple, affordable, and available to you right now. No prescriptions, no complicated routines, just consistent daily habits. Remember, your body isn't asking for miracles. It's asking for the basics: hydration, rest, and circulation. By honoring those needs, you give yourself the chance to feel more alive, more confident, and more masculine, even after 60. I've seen men transform their lives just by paying attention to this one habit. And you can too. Don't underestimate the power of starting small. So here's my encouragement to you. Begin today. Take that first glass of water in the morning and let it be the spark for bigger change. If you want to go even further, don't miss the link in the pinned comment, where I share a 60-second ritual proven to supercharge nitric oxide and circulation. Stay hydrated, stay strong, and remember, it's never too late to reclaim your vitality. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.